Oh, should we do it live? Should we make Tiki jealous?
Yeah.
Sewer.
Give him something to watch.
Yeah, let's do it live. Let's make Tiki jealous. Fucking Tiki.
Let's talk about him.
Yeah, fucking Taco Man. I don't even like tacos.
What's your favorite thing about Taco Man?
Him being late.
Yeah.
My favorite thing about him is his cat.
Oh, wow, that's pretty shallow, Zaeya.
Listen.
He's had a cat for like 2 weeks. That's your favorite thing about him?
I've liked Tiki for 2 weeks now.
No, I didn't say what's the only thing you like about him. I said what's your favorite, and I just really like.
I know, you like other things so little that his 2-week-old cat is your favorite thing about him. That's fucked up, Zaeya.
Like, I like him as much as I like you. Before the cat, and now he has a cat.
AKA, he's your favorite now?
I think you're scrambling here. Got some scramble.
No, I don't scramble.
Got
I
some
love
scrambled
cats.
Zaeya.
Take it slow.